Well, Adrian Grant not really getting going at all here so far in his first game.
Well, Adrian Grant making an unforced error there. So he's got 8 game balls to equalise. It's beautifully played. So finally, the Grunk has woken up.
Again, you just see Adrian Grant off it, slightly lackluster.
Oh, he's like a busy bee, the Finn, flying around, buzzing, annoying Adrian Grant. Still 6 match balls for the Finn. And there's the squeeze. So an early departure for the left-hander. Well, the first scalp of this tournament in the main draw. Henrik Mustonen continues his run. Wonderful performance, taking out Adrian Grant 11-3, 2-11, 11-5, 11-4, 3 games to 1.
Look at that. Seeing that more and more from players, they're straightening up from the front corners.
Well, he was under so much pressure, Shibagi absorbing, and then squeezing.
Was
the error. All the hard work paying off from Adrian Waller.
There it is again.
Oh, perfect weighted stroke. Perfect weighted stroke. El Shibagi now has 5 game balls. Oh, he's good reactions. Went the wrong way. And the error. So Adrian Waller needs to seriously try to rejuvenate himself in just a 2-minute break. The momentum certainly with El Shibagi. El Shibagi with 4 match balls. And another unforced error. So El Shibagi holds strong, stays with the seeding there. Just underneath the hour for this second match of this evening. Mohammed El Shibagi managing to stave off Adrian Waller. 11-7, 11-13, 11-5, 11-6, 3 games to 1.